I'm Shane Wright. As Ari Height reports, the location of that boat made it a challenging night for Martin County firefighters.
I was talking to the man who owns the slip where this boat was parked here along Southeast Manatee Terrace in Port Salerno. He did not want to go on camera, but he tells me this was a terrifying situation. He and his wife looked out the back, they saw the flames, and immediately called 911. Tuesday night around 9 o'clock.
Boat's on fire. We need to get your boat the fuck out of here, quick.
This is a boat docked behind a home in the 4500 block of Manatee Terrace in Port Salerno. And this is video from a neighbor who started recording right after firefighters were called.
When they got there, they saw a 35-foot boat that was fully involved. They jumped into action.
Fire Rescue says this fire was a challenge to fight. Not a lot of room to operate and not a lot of time to douse the flames.
Boat fires can be very dangerous, even one that's docked with no one on board. Obviously, that fire can quickly spread.
In this case, the fire was mostly contained, though a nearby boat did suffer some damage. Nearby homes, though, were unharmed. Nobody was on the boat when it caught fire, and there were no injuries. Investigators initially believed an electrical issue caused the fire, but then they saw this and say this is one of the rare times Mother Nature is to blame.
It's very unusual for a lightning strike to cause a boat fire. One of our chiefs actually told me that in his 20+ years of being in the fire service, he has never seen that happen.
The boat was removed from the water late Wednesday afternoon. Fire Rescue tells me it suffered significant damage and may be a total loss. In Port Salerno, Ari Height, WPBF 25 News.